Teachers are busy teaching, so who's watching out for COVID?
Some schools are now bringing in outside COVID liaisons.
They're from this company called LLC. This program is tailored to meet the district's needs.
Before COVID hit, schools had challenges anyway. The pandemic has given us many more tasks to do.
Having AM here allowed us to focus on education, knowing that we have experts in the field of COVID, focusing on how to respond. We couldn't do this without AM.
We provide a variety of services to include contact tracing, COVID liaison support, providing resources to families and those who are affected by COVID.
We have a whole clinical team that dives into every single guidance and protocol.
The road ahead in managing COVID in the school setting is not easy. AM can ensure that you're not going it alone.
AM partners with us in a safe return and a strong return to school.